So the fact that you clicked on this video is a clear sign that you're serious about making some passive income, right? Don't you want to make some money while you sleep? I think we're all in the position where we don't want to work 9 to 5 and do all of this crazy stuff. I'm going to be showing you today one of the methods that allows me to generate income while I sleep and also exponentially grow my passive income, meaning that the money it increases from what I originally invested into it. But this is not some standard stock market thing. Let's get into it. So this is called the walnut fund, and that's why I told you it's making money with nuts, because you are essentially buying a tree and you're making a profit off of the nuts that the tree makes and that the tree produces. So it is really good. I want to just show you quickly the investment scenarios, right? For the video's sake, let's say pessimistic, you're conservative, maybe you don't really understand what's going on here. You buy a tree is 200 euros minimum investment, and this tree yields 16 kgs of walnuts, and long story short, that's going to bring you 23 euros a year, right? But the catch is, over the lifetime of that tree, you're going to be making 928 euros. You can check this site out for yourself. The link will be in the description. Totally legit, but you can check for yourself. And they allow you to actually adjust. Let's say you want to buy 14 trees. Upfront, you'll be investing 2,800 euros, but over the lifetime of that, you're making 13,000, actually almost 14,000 euros. And this is money that's coming in without you having to do anything. Just your initial investment. And you can sit back, relax, and every year they're paying you your dividends off of the walnuts that are produced. 12% ROI, as you can see there. So this is just one of those unique ways I invest my money. I think it's kind of cool. If this is something that you want to see more of, I can show you some other ways that I do things, and it's a nice change from the stock market or crypto or whatever people are talking about. So yeah, definitely look into this, link below. It's a good way to benefit the earth, the soil, everything like that. And I know this is also different from what I usually do on the channel, but yeah, have a good one, guys. Check you in the next one.